In the morning, Satyabrot called me and informed me that he was traveling from Titabar via Majuli to Dhakuakhana. He thought I was already in Dhakuakhana. However, I had planned to leave tomorrow when Nihar called, saying that a set of pure Muga clothes for his bride needed to be picked up in Dhemaji for the Jurun. Fatu Bihu starts tomorrow, so I quickly freshened up and began my journey to Dhakuakhana. From there, I will head to Tezpur. It was already 1 p.m. In the afternoon, the vehicles moved slowly due to fewer passengers, stopping frequently along the way. Slowly but steadily, I covered 12 kilometers in an hour and 45 kilometers in 2 hours, reaching Dibrugarh by 4 p.m. Upon arriving at Pool Bagan in Dibrugarh, I walked to the traffic point and then to the bus stop for Lakhimpur. After walking a bit more and even running a little, I found no bus. A staff member at the bus stop informed me that the bus would arrive by 4:10 p.m. As I sipped cold water and nibbled on roasted peanuts, the bus finally arrived. Boarding it felt great. My body cooled down and my heart filled with joy. I never imagined I'd get an AC bus like this. After departing from Dibrugarh, I tried capturing a few scenes along the way. I attempted to take a picture of the Amalapati Natya Mandir's building, but was too late. For the first time, I came across a restaurant named Bankahi and really liked it. Some names just have a special charm. Interestingly, Bankahi is deeply connected to our traditional food culture as well. While traveling in Assam, I noticed a CNG filling station for the first time. It belongs to Assam Gas Company Limited, the renowned natural gas company based in Duliajan. I am happy that on this bus journey, the conductor gave 10 100 rupee notes in exchange for 1000 rupees before buying oil from the fuel station. Near Dibrugarh University, I noticed a newly constructed footbridge, which I had seen during a previous trip. It made me happy because this bridge is essential for the university's students. Passing by Sukafa Khetra, we headed toward Bogibeel. The toll gate wasn't operational yet. The government needs funds to maintain the roads. Still, the roads here are poorer compared to those in mainland India. The sun was setting, and I gazed at the Brahmaputra's waters. At first, I could see the riverbed, which reminded me of Dr. Aarti Barua's words from 2 decades ago about how China's ambitions might cause the Brahmaputra to dry up. Seeing this now, I feel her foresight was accurate. Rivers belong to no nation, yet with science and technology, some countries control nature, causing difficulties for others. Lost in these chaotic thoughts, we crossed Moridal. By then, day had turned into evening, and the bus's interior lights flickered on. Just then, Nihar called again, asking me to contact Binita Dutta Baidu in Dhemaji town. After getting off the bus, I saw the familiar statue of the legendary singer Bhupen Hazarika, a voice we deeply admire. A local helped me find the correct location. He guided me to Station Road, from where I had to go to my destination. In the evening light, the place felt magical, beautiful and enchanting. Later, I spotted a small statue of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our modern non-violent movement. It was surprisingly tiny, the smallest statue of Bapuji I had ever seen. From there, I took a battery rickshaw and reached my destination. Talking to the family I'm visiting felt wonderful. So warm, open, and refreshingly frank, it truly put me at ease. Take a look at the Jurun outfit, made of pure Muga silk and quite expensive.
এটো কি বুলি কয়
এটো থুপি বুলি কয় এটো মানে দহিও কৰিব পাৰে এটো এনে আমি এনেকে থুপি বনাই দিছো এটো আজিকালি মানে ফেশ্বন আৰু দেখিবলৈ ভাল লাগে বাকি এজু পিয়ৰ মুগা কাপোৰ হয় এজু পিয়ৰ মুগা কাপোৰত এনেকে মই এটা ৰেড কালাৰ আৰু গোল্ডেন কালাৰত হেই কৰিছো এজু কাস্টমাইজ কৰাইছে তেও এনে ধৰক বাকি যদি আপোনাক যেনেকুৱা লাগে যেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ লাগে মই তেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ বনাই দিব পাৰো নিজৰ হাল আছে ডিসখন হালত বনাই এনেকে পিয়ৰ মুগা হয় এতিয়া পিয়ৰ মুগা কেজি মানে আপোনাৰ 20 পৰা 22,000 মানৰ ভিতৰত হৈ আছে আৰু এইখন তাৰ লগত মেখেলা মানে এটো এটা অকমান আনকমন ডিজাইনত বনোৱা হৈছে আগত পৰ ফুলা নাই তো কিংখাপ ডিজাইন বুলি কয় বাকি তিনটা এনেকে দি দিয়া হৈছে ইয়াত এটো
এনে মোটামুটি কিমান দাম হয়গে পিয়ৰ মুগা
এজুত পৰিছে আপোনাৰ 43000 পৰিছে বাকি এটো ইয়াৰ লগত ব্লাউজটো তেও সিম্পলত লাগে বুলি কোৱা কাৰণে মই সিম্পলত বনাই দিছো যদি মানে কোনোবাই কাস্টমাইজ কৰিব বিচাৰে তেতিয়া যদি কৰে বোলে ফুলকে লাগে বা এনেকে মানে আজিকালি ডিজাইনৰ সব ডিজাইনতে বনাব পৰা যাব এটো মই ৰেডি টু ওয়্যাৰ কৰি দিছো একেবাৰে কমপ্লিট কৰি মেলি আপোনাৰ মানে 43000 দিছো
After dinner, I'm now heading to bed. Good night. Tomorrow morning, I will go to Dhakuakhana.